वैष्णवी ठक्कर, आपका स्वागत है एक और बहुत अच्छे नए वीडियो में विच इज गोइंग टू बी प्लान विथ मी January 2021. Guys, finally 2020's come to an end. Thankfully, oh my god. I can't tell you how much happy I am. Well, 2020 wasn't that bad for me personally, but yeah, it was bad like for the whole planet. It was actually good for the planet if I say, but it was not at all good for the humanity and everything else, you know, right? मैं क्यों इस टॉपिक पे इतना बक कर रही हूँ. So yeah, जाने दीजिए. So the main thing is 2020 has come to an end and 2020 is just about the corner. और मैं आ गई हूँ एक और अच्छा सा नया सा मेरा बुलेट जर्नल लेके जो मुझे करना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. और ये मंथ का थीम इज लाइक माई मोस्ट फेवरेट क्योंकि मुझे बहुत मजा आया डिजाइन करने में. इट वॉज सो कलरफुल एंड नाइस. सो मैं अब ये पैकेट आपके लिए अभी से नहीं खोलने वाली हूँ. सो देखिए आप कैसे कलरफुल एंड नाइस है. Also guys, before going, subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the notification bell to get the notified every time I come up with a new video.
So guys, the theme for this month is going to be colors and I just wanted to do it because colors are something very important in life. So I wanted to do it, and as you all know, I always like to start my journaling every month with a beautiful quote, and I had to do a life related quote on the coloring. So I decided to go with a beautiful quote about life, and I first decided to give the whole background 3 different colors. These 3 different colors are going to be the theme for my month, and the quote is be the color of your own life, which I can relate to so. For the next page, which is going to be the main page for this month, I decided to give the same backdrop as the previous page but in a slight manner so that it looks a bit different and unique. So I just did that in the slant form and leave out the space for January, and I am going to write 2021 below that in black. So the next 2 pages are going to be my monthly. So I wanted to do this month also in 2 different pages because it looks better that way and it gives me more space to write anything I want to. And for the theme of this month, I've decided to do this backdrop on it, and it looks fabulous. So the next page is going to be my habit tracker, and for this, to show the theme of my month, I just decided to make those 3 different strips of the colors on one side of it and write habit tracker in between. Then I just listed out the habits I wanted to keep track of. The next page is going to be my songs page. As you guys know, I have every different song on my mind every next day, so I just like to keep a track of it. So I make this page of songs where I write my songs which. The next page is mood tracker, so I just wrote mood with black, and I decided then to keep a key of it, and then for the every individual day I decided to do this kind of strips kind of thing, and then just colored my mood tracker and filled out the keys. The next page is my IF log. As you guys know, I do intermittent fasting every day, so this is just to keep the log of it of how many hours I do that. Mostly it is 16 hours, like it should be 16 hours. The next page is of movies. It is to keep track of any movies or web series I watch. I've just wrote out movies here because writing web series, TV shows and movies all together would be a great mess, so I just decided to write movies. The next spread is my YouTube calendar, which actually helps me a lot planning my content for you guys. Like I just write out whatever ideas I have on there, and it actually helps me be better person and be more creative on YouTube. So heads off to that spread. The next is the quote page. So the quote is, don't let anyone dull your rainbow. I know I forgot to write N, and I realized it later, like so later, that I couldn't do anything else but to write it down. So I just wrote it down there, and yeah. The next spread is my first weekly. So in the first week there are only actually 2 days, so I decided to do this kind of thing and also to keep notes, so it looks better this way. And I decided to do my usual backdrop which I have done for the whole month. So guys, this is finally how my bullet journal looks for the month of January 2021, and let me tell you, I'm quite impressed with all the colors. I just wanted to make it colorful because it's the first month of the year and it should be colorful, happy and jolly. So I just tried to show the happiness through the colors in here, and I just love these 3 colors and how this combination looks with each other.
सो गाइज दैट वॉज इट फॉर द वीडियो. आई होप कि आपको पसंद आया होगा, क्योंकि ये जो कलर्स एंड ऑल था मुझे उसके साथ खेलने में बहुत मजा आया. आई रियली एंजॉयड लाइक मिक्सिंग कलर्स विथ टुगेदर एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. सॉरी फॉर द साउथर्ली एक्सेंट, गलती से निकल जाता है. लेट इट बी. सो आई होप कि आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. और आई नो ये मेकअप वगैरह आपको थोड़ा पुराना लग रहा है बिकॉज मैंने मंडे की वीडियो के लिए किया था, सो मैंने सिर्फ कपड़े चेंज कर लिए है. और अगर मंडे का वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो जाके पहले देखो, मैंने अब आई बटन में ऑलरेडी लिंक कर दिया है. और अगर आपको आई बटन ऊपर नहीं दिख रहा है, सो प्रेस ऑन द 3 डॉट्स एंड उसमें आपको ऑप्शन आएगा फ्रॉम सही ठक्कर, तो वहां पे जाके आप देख सकते हो. सो या दिस वाज इट फॉर द वीडियो एंड द जर्नल फॉर दिस मंथ. बट ऑफकोर्स वीकली स्प्रेड्स आर रिमेनिंग एंड आई एम कमिंग अप विद दैम. दे आर ऑल्सो बिकमिंग सो नाइस, लाइक बहुत अच्छे बन रहे हैं. सो या दैट वॉज इट फॉर द वीडियो एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ यू हैवेंट ऑलरेडी, तो जल्दी से लाइक कर दो और सब्सक्राइब कर दो मेरे चैनल को और बेल नोटिफिकेशन दबा दो ताकि जब भी मेरी वीडियो है सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन सिर्फ आपको आए. सो बाय बाय, अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम. लव लव.